You must have thought you'd actually need a motorcycle intercom. Welcome to Fodsports then. Now I am going to do a full review of this Fodsports T5. This is a flip-open packaging box. We have instruction manual, warm tips and warranty card on top. And this is the Fodsports T5. I like the design though. Looks pretty nice in shape. Now let's try to turn it on. It's flashing with a blue light. Yes, it works. And now we have more to share under the box. All the accessories are hidden underneath, which includes... So this is everything in the box. Now we are moving to the installation part. Put together the mounting clip first, with 2 screws to secure it. Here's the other one. Make sure it's firmly in place, but don't tighten it all the way, because you need to fix it onto your helmet. Here is the moment we need to go all the way in. Make sure it's securely attached to your helmet. Round and round. Now the microphone. Place it near your mouth. The speaker should also be positioned near your ears. Boom. Your intercom is more than ready. Wait, you're only ready after plugging in this audio cable. That's how you can receive the sound. You did a great job. Maybe now it is time for you to go for a ride, but I prefer not. I'll try to play some music with it. Welcome back. I don't want you to miss the most interesting part of the function test. I haven't tested the intercom function yet. How to connect it to your phone. How does each button work? The sound quality. And in the end, I'll give a professional buying recommendation. So let's get to it. I guess I will start with pairing these two together. This is the power button. Long press for about 6 seconds. The device will enter pairing mode. Press the power button again will start the pairing. The pairing is done if the light flash like this. There is another way to do this. Press power button about 2 seconds to turn on the device. Hold power button and function button until the red and blue lights flash alternately. The other one shares the same process. Then press power button to connect. This is it. I'll show you how to connect your phone next. Once you are in pairing mode, using either of the 2 methods I mentioned before, like Fodsports T5 and Bluetooth, your phone will be connected in this way. If this is hard to understand, check this out. Pairing is over. To connect your phone, in pairing mode, select Fodsports T5, and then connect it. You can double press the function button to activate your voice assistant after pairing with your phone. We will test the sound quality next. Great one. And you can share it with the other one device like this.
Bluetooth disconnected. Music sharing. Bluetooth connected.
The phone call. Of course. Press the function button once to answer the call. Press again to hang up. Long press to reject. Double press the power button to redial the last call. After powering on and without connecting to your phone, double press the power button to enable auto answer. You'll hear a tone with blue light if it's on. Let's reconnect the phone real quick. Incoming calls will be answered automatically after about 10 seconds. I'll show some button combinations to make the functions work. Press FM button to turn on radio.
Turn on radio.
Double press the volume up button to switch to the next station. Use volume down button to go to the previous station. A single press adjusts the volume up or down. Volume down, for example, here. By the way, you can switch the intercom's voice language like this.
Nihongo. Italiano. Nihongo. English.
Game changer. Here are the supported languages. Then audio delay test. The delay is around 200 milliseconds after some simple calculations. It's considered excellent performance. With IP67 waterproof, ready to ride even on rainy days. case you want to know how the buttons feel, I recorded the sound of the buttons being pressed. Pretty excellent feedback there. The Fodsports T5 really impressed across all tests. It doesn't have any obvious weak spots. The multilingual voice prompts are a nice bonus. When it comes to bonus, here is a discount coupon. One more thing. Thanksgiving is just around the corner. The official website is having a promotion right now. Limited time Thanksgiving promo. Extra 25% off with code 25Thanksgiving. It's unbelievable that an intercom like this costs less than $45. What a save. What I can tell you is that you will never regret buying it. Totally worth the price. I think that's all for this review. If you want us to review other functions, or if you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll see you next review.